How to unfreeze SPayLater in Shopee. So here's what you want to do. First, load up the Shopee website or app and click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Then again, we will click on the gear icon in the top right corner and you want to go into the help center. So from here, you will just search for SPayLater like so. And you want to find the article that is "Why can't I use my SPayLater account?" Click on that one. Now it's going to show you the reasons why you can't use it. The first reason will be outdated information. So you will go back into your profile section and submit your ID and other information that it may require of you. Another reason why you won't be able to use your SPayLater is an unpaid bill. So you will go into the Me section and you want to pay any outstanding bills which you may have with SPayLater. After you have paid those bills, it is going to tell us that there are two different freezings of your account. So you have the temporary and the permanent. If you have violated any of Shopee's policies, then your account will permanently be frozen. Also, if you have missed multiple payments. But if it's a temporary freeze, as long as you pay your outstanding balance, then it should get unfrozen. And also, if it's frozen because of missing information, then it will get unfrozen as long as you submit that information. If all else fails, what you can do is go into the App Store and troubleshoot the app itself. So you will search for Shopee and you want to update the app or uninstall and reinstall it, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.